Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW E46 guys. This is the 3 Series from 1998 to 2006. And if your rear windows do not work, stay with us to show you guys which two fuses you need to check. Not one, two fuses. And we will explain that today. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment and let us know guys if you like the content or if you have any recommendations. Now, we're demonstrating on convertible, but sedan will be the same way, and if you have a coupe, okay, with the hinge windows on the back, we will explain where that fuse is located as well. So, let us show you now what we're talking about and how to replace them. So, this is the car guys, it's a 2005 actually, but doesn't matter what generation, what year you have, it should be the same for the whole generation. We'll go ahead, turn the light on now, okay, so I can show you where the fuses are located. Now, this is, okay, those white things, you need to turn them out, and this is your fuse box that drops down. Now, this fuse box guys, it has two rows, one on top, one on the bottom. You can see the numbers for the top ones are here, the bottom ones there. Kind of like printed on the bottom here, but it's hard for me to show you. Now, there is one main fuse for the windows, okay, and that main fuse is number 71. Okay, number 71 is the very last fuse on the right side. Okay, this fuse right here. This guys is fuse number 71. So if that fuse is bad, your windows will not work as well. So let me grab it. It's a little bit okay. The last fuse is always the hardest to pull. It's always like that. Okay, I pulled it out. Now I'll get a replacement fuse guys. Okay, you can check out guys in the description of the video below where we get our fuses and all that stuff. All that will be listed there, so please check it out, and you will get an idea where we purchase all our things from, and it's very affordable price. I'll go ahead, okay, install the fuse, and we'll explain which two fuses other than that you need to check. Okay, that last one is super hard to install too, so let me have someone hold the camera quick, okay, so I can just go ahead and plug it with the left hand, because with the right one it's almost impossible there. Okay, it's so limited room. I almost had it and it dropped again, so if that doesn't work guys, I'll try to grab it with the puller. Position it there, okay, and get it like that. Perfect. Now, the other fuse that we are looking at guys, it's fuse number 49. Fuse number 49, it's this 5 amp fuse right here. This is for the window switch. If that doesn't work, your front windows will not work as well. Now, if you guys have the hinged windows on the back for the coupe only, okay, you will have that fuse 71 will be for them as well, for all of them. So when you're done guys, all we have to do, put it together and you're guys pretty much ready to go. Just pull it up like that. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.